Hello, my name's Jess. I'm an audiologist at the Mid Yorkshire Hospitals NHS Trust. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to clean your ear mould. Ear mould should be cleaned on a regular basis to help prevent the build-up of wax or debris in the tubing and also to maintain good hygiene. On a daily basis, it is recommended to use a damp cloth to remove any build-ups from the ear mould. Once a week, we would advise washing your ear mould in warm soapy water. You will need to detach the tubing from the hard plastic hook. Wash the ear mould thoroughly in warm soapy water and then rinse under running water. You should be able to see the water running all the way through the tubing. You may like to use a small brush, such as a clean toothbrush, to remove debris from any hard to reach places. If you have had an ear infection, you can also use a sterilisation solution such as Milton to disinfect your ear mould. Once the ear mould is clean, dry with a paper towel and gently shake the ear mould to remove excess water from the tubing. Water left in the tubing may affect the sound quality of the hearing aid. Reattach the tubing to the hard plastic hook. You should be able to easily twist the tubing if you realise it doesn't sit correctly behind your ear. It will be difficult to detach the tubing from the hearing aid if the tubing has become hard. We therefore recommend replacing the tubing between every 3 and 6 months. You can contact the Audiology department to arrange an appointment or request tubing to be posted to you.